Hi guys, here we've got HUAWEI Nova 9, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then scroll down, find and select about phone, and when you see build number, just tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, you've just unlocked developer options, so let's go back, click on system and updates, and developer options are right here. Click to open, scroll down, and you will notice automatic system updates right here. So if you'd like to apply it, just use the switcher and it will be applied. Whenever you would like to switch it off, just unmark it. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.